Hey guys, what's up? Eddie Alho here with KissAnalog.com. So today we're going to start a new series. This series is going to go on for a while because it's going to be kind of an education in electronics. We're going to start with the very basics, DC, AC electronics, and we're going to continue through diodes, transistors, op amps, circuits, power supply circuits, audio circuits. We're going to stick with mostly the analog stuff. I'm going to do some digital stuff, but we're going to kind of cover a bunch of stuff and how to use equipment, but we're going to study theory. Okay, I'm going to make these fairly short videos, so they'll come often and they'll be short. So that's kind of how we're going to do it, I think. And there might be some that might be slightly longer, but this one might be a little bit longer just because I got this kind of prelude here. But so, we're going to talk about electronics. Everybody knows we get power from AC, and we also get it from DC, right? So DC, AC electronics is usually where you start in school. Now, by the way, you're not going to need to know any math, or very little, because we're going to keep this very practical and we're going to make this simple. So please let me know what you want more of, less of, and as far as math, that kind of thing. We might do things in one way where it needs no math, and in another way where we'll add a little math, maybe a second video in case you want to see that too. Kind of a backup or support material, that kind of thing. So we're going to talk about those kind of things, okay? For instance, how does DC power get generated? How does AC power get generated? What's the difference between DC and AC? And we're going to talk about those electrons and how electricity travels through things. Does it travel through metal, rubber, wood? I mean, a lot of this stuff is practical, so we don't have to go through tedious theory. We know electricity likes to go through copper, silver, gold, metals like that, and we know that rubber is an insulator. We all feel safe grabbing rubber. So yeah, so some of this stuff, it's gonna be very simple, very basic, and we go fast. Okay, and DC, yeah, we know it comes from batteries. Okay, batteries is one place DC comes from, and we'll just talk about a little bit about the theory on this stuff, and yeah. So that's what we're going to do, okay? So I'm going to number these because there's going to be a bunch of them, and so you want to probably keep track. So, all right. Hey, thanks for watching. Let me know if you think this is a good idea, and let me know, hey, please give me input. Happy to hear it. If there's things I missed, if I went by something, if you want me to jump back and cover something, let me know. If I spent too much time, just give me all kinds of feedback, okay? Hey. By the way, this series we're gonna call it Kiss You, the Kiss You series. Why? Because it's Kiss and it's U for University, Kiss University. And what does KISS stand for? You guys know what KISS stands for, right? So Kiss You. That's the basis and the idea behind this. I want to bring kind of fill in gaps, bring everybody up to speed, and anybody that's interested in electronics, we want to make it real simple so you can just jump in where you want. So we're going to number them, okay? Kiss You series. Alright, hey, thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like the idea, and remember to subscribe, hit the little bell so you'll keep track of the chime, or whatever they call it, so you keep track of the series when another one pops up. I'm going to try to do a lot of them, like I'm going to try to do them a few days apart from each other, so there'll just be a bunch of them being posted along with my other stuff I'm going to do, because that way I can keep them short, but at the same time easy to swallow chunks, and we can watch other videos too. Alright guys, thanks. Hey, thanks guys. Thumbs up if you like this idea. Alright, thanks for watching.